here's what we done today.
Shoes.
Hey, I did it.
He's a D.O.G.
Malibu's most wanted, y'all. Kid Car ain't got nothing on me.
Each state, man, for Pete's sake, scratch that sweepstakes.
You down with OPP?
Down with OPP. Down with OPP.
Holler back, player.
I am smoking on that gas. Life should be on Cinemax. Movie. Bought my boo, bigger tits and a bigger ass. Who he's not I smoke strong. That.
Okay, so.
Oh my gosh.
In 2012, the year was starting off good, right?
We're talking about boys of 2012. Tomorrow we'll probably talk about like
Hoes of 2012.
hoes of 2012. Okay. Anyways, so what do you think?
Well, I think that.
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
What the fuck? Let me do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so scared. I'm so... Oh my gosh, hold on. You know what? Are we done? I'm still gonna freak out.
I don't know, man. Get some ass shots, wore off. Bitches ain't popping. Google